If you love Baltimore sports, you'll love WNST.net.
It is Purple Friday, and for the first time when it really actually counts, the Washington Redskins come to Baltimore to play the Ravens on Sunday Night Football at 8:15, and both teams need a win. But you know what this is? This is Bel Air against Bethesda. It's Silver Spring against Dundalk. It's Chevy Chase against Catonsville. And all of you straddling that fence at Anne Arundel in Howard County, this is what it means. A Redskins-Ravens game. This is what it's all about. Here's my buddy, my friend, who bleeds purple and black. And again, he's using his radio station, WNST, to get the word out. We're trying to get Art Modell in the Hall of Fame. Why he isn't already?
Well, you know, it's even more powerful than the radio station, because I've been doing that for 17 years, the web. I mean, I put this thing up on Facebook, and the thing has gotten crazy.
What do you want to do?
We just want to make some noise. I mean, you know, Art Modell probably belonged in the Hall of Fame before he even moved the team to Baltimore, quite frankly. And it's been used as a tool to keep him out of the Hall of Fame that he moved the team. Now, there are 4 other owners in the Hall of Fame that have moved teams. But above and beyond that is, I now believe, and this is the first time I think anybody said this publicly, Art Modell built 2 stellar franchises in this league. He built Cleveland and passed it on and left everything there, and now he's come back here to Baltimore and rebuilt what we had with Rosenblum and the Colts in the 60s before you and I, the things our parents told us about. Because we never really saw the great Colts. I mean, we saw Burt Jones at the end, but I never saw Johnny play as a Colt. And Modell has now done that in 2 cities. And I think instead of him being kicked around for a guy that left Cleveland, he should be lauded as a guy who helped rebuild Baltimore. And I think that's the message that we're on.
And the movie about Ernie Davis, if that doesn't get him in, gee, what are you going to do?
Well, I mean, that should have gotten him in the 90s. And, you know, we're looking at this video from Down Sports Legends. I was there that night. It brought a tear to my eye because if that is the pinnacle of what Art gets, is a plaque on a place in Baltimore, then that's great, but he belongs in the Hall of Fame.
All right, what do we want to do on Sunday night then?
Sunday night, first play of the second quarter, we're asking the 70,000 people that are at the stadium to stand up on the first play when the play resumes and chant "Induct Art" until the game stops. Until John Madden and Al Michaels have to take note. And until Art Modell gets the national publicity he should get for what he's built here in Baltimore. The reason we're going to kick the Redskins' butt on Sunday, the reason we get that opportunity is because we have this team. We have 13 years we didn't have a team. Art Modell should be in the Hall of Fame.
I love the effort. How'd you come up with this?
Actually, it was Drew Forrester's idea. I can take no credit for this.
It's not that smart.
Yeah, I know. It's amazing. We're distributing signs, 20,000 signs on Sunday night, and I hope everybody supports this.
All right.
I think it's important.
Induct Art. Induct Art.
2 things have to happen. We got to win and induct Art.
Well, we can do it.
Good seeing you, man. Thanks for having me in. Perfect Friday.
All right, let's go. Let's go get some weather. It's going to make it real chilly out there on Sunday night, aren't you?
Oh, it is going to be chilly, but you know what?
If you love Baltimore sports, you'll love WNST.net.